Hey, what's up guys? Mike Locke here. Thanks for tuning in to another video blog. In this video, I want to touch on designing personal projects with a purpose. Okay, quite often I do talk about personal projects. For those of you who are new to my YouTube channel, personal projects are basically concept websites that you can create, design, publish on your portfolio to showcase your UI and UX design skills. Often for aspiring designers, you don't have experience, you don't have projects to work on. So the best way and really the only way for you to really build up your portfolio is to concept up fictitious concept products, web apps, websites, or whatever, redesign, and design it on your own, showcase it on your portfolio to potential employers and clients. Okay, I talk about this a lot through, probably in every other video. I share a lot of examples in my web design training course of projects that I've done in the past and things like that. And this is a great way for you to really build up your portfolio. Now, quite often people will email me and, they'll send me an email. Hey, Mike, review my, take a look at my personal project. And quite often it's like one screen. Also people don't go deeper. They may have one or two screens, the home page and some other screen. You really want to really add value to your personal projects and to yourself as a designer for potential employers and clients. You really want to showcase different interactions throughout your personal projects. And the best way to do that, is by answering a few questions when you're designing your project. If you go through this little template, this little step to answer these few questions, it's really going to force you to build out multiple screens and different interactions. Like the two questions that I always try to answer with every project that I work on, excuse me, is one, what are you designing and why? Okay, that's the first question. You got to explain what are you designing and why. Just answer that question. You can answer it in a paragraph format. For example, if I'm building like a concept, my favorite sports app, I can say I'm designing a sports app for sports fans to review and interact with their favorite sports player, okay, athlete or whatnot. Okay, number two, this is the guts. Two is, who are you designing it for? Sports fans. But what are the use cases? Okay, use cases are basically things that people will do in this app. You're building an app. What do you expect users to do in this particular application, or website? Use cases can be written, like I generally write my use cases like I would, like I write a user story. For example, I start off my use cases like this. As a user, let's say we're building a sports app, right? As a user, I need to be able to search for my favorite player. Okay? As a user, I need to be able to review current stats from my favorite player. As a user, I need to be able to review or see or interact with my favorite player's Twitter feed and their Instagram photos. Okay? As a user, I need to be able to review my favorite player's Wikipedia information in this app. Okay? So, as you can see the template, as a user, I need to be able to do X or blank for this particular reason or whatnot. Okay? So, you want to list out about 3 to 5 different use cases. Okay? And what it's going to do, it's going to force you to build screens based on those use cases. And so if you list out 3 to 5 different use cases, you're looking at about, 2 screens per different interaction or whatnot. So obviously you have a home page. If I need to review my favorite player's Twitter information, Twitter feed, and Instagram photos, that's going to involve you creating another step, another page. Okay, something that you may not think about. You may have it in your head, but you may not know or be thinking about, hey, I need to design this particular page. Okay, so as you go through your use cases, it's going to force you to design all these different mock-ups and different interactions. Okay, then it's going to paint a better story for your personal project. So when you're explaining this to a potential employer, though it's a personal project, they'll see your thought process and your interaction ability behind the things that you're designing. All right, so that's the main reason why I want to sort of touch on designing personal projects with a purpose. Okay, because it's going to add more value to what you're doing, who you are as a designer. All right, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, always check out my website, mlwebco.com, and use the contact link on my website. I'll ask any or answer any questions that you may have. Also, if you like the things that I talk about, leave a comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the like button, and look out for more videos. We'll be talking soon, guys. Peace.